Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your ultimate destination for the hottest rides, future-forward innovations, and vehicles that redefine mobility. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury on wheels with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van, a rolling sanctuary that blends adventure, comfort, and German engineering into one stunning package. The 2025 Sprinter Camper van isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Designed for explorers, digital nomads, and anyone dreaming of life beyond the driveway, this camper van offers the freedom to roam without sacrificing luxury. It's based on the ever-reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, but it's been transformed into a full-fledged mobile home that delivers far more than just transportation, it delivers an experience. From the outside, the 2025 Sprinter Camper van carries the signature Mercedes sophistication with a rugged twist. Its upright stance and bold front grille give it a commanding presence, while the sculpted LED headlights and aerodynamic lines hint at both efficiency and modern design. The optional high roof version adds vertical space for standing room, and integrated roof racks and solar panels are available for the self-sustaining traveler. Dual sliding doors, rugged all-terrain wheels, and a refined paint palette including matte finishes and off-road inspired trims elevate its appeal for urban dwellers and backcountry adventurers alike. Step inside and you'll forget you're even in a van. The interior is where Mercedes-Benz truly shows its magic. You're greeted with premium materials like natural wood accents, ambient lighting, and customizable leather upholstery. The layout is modular and highly configurable, offering a rear sleeping area with a convertible queen-size bed, a fully functional kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, refrigerator, and sink, and a compact wet bathroom with a shower and toilet combo. Storage is smartly integrated throughout the cabin, including overhead lockers and underbed compartments. Tech-savvy users will appreciate the onboard Wi-Fi, touchscreen control panel, and USB-C ports sprinkled conveniently across the interior. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the upgraded MBUX infotainment system, which includes voice commands, navigation, real-time weather and traffic updates, and even camper-specific functions like leveling guidance and water tank monitoring. With solar charging capability, lithium-ion battery banks, and optional 4x4 drivetrain, this van is built to take you off-grid in complete comfort. Under the hood, the Sprinter Camper van comes with multiple powertrain options. The base diesel variant is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering around 168 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, offering enough grunt for long road trips and mountainous routes. For those seeking zero-emission travel, Mercedes also offers an all-electric eSprinter version with a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, ideal for eco-conscious adventurers looking to keep their footprint low while exploring the world. Driving the Sprinter is surprisingly easy thanks to its adaptive cruise control, 360-degree camera system, lane keeping assist, and crosswind stabilization. It might be a large van, but Mercedes has engineered it to feel nimble and safe, whether you're cruising the Autobahn or navigating narrow forest trails. As for the price, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van starts around $70,000 for the base chassis with standard camper conversion, but a fully loaded model with off-road enhancements, luxury interior package, and solar setup can push that price to well over $120,000. While it may seem steep, what you're really investing in is freedom, the ability to live, work, and travel anywhere without compromise. The biggest selling point of the 2025 Sprinter Camper van is its unmatched combination of luxury, versatility, and cutting-edge tech in a vehicle that's ready for the open road. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or embracing full-time van life, the Sprinter makes every journey feel first class. That's all for today's review on Auto Vibes. If you enjoyed this look into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and vehicle features from around the globe. Until next time, keep the vibes rolling and the wheels turning. Safe travels, everyone.